Good morning to all. Welcome back to your English online classes. I am Asha, your English teacher. We are discussing our 10th chapter, the last session, that is writing. So in the previous class, we have discussed a vocabulary session, that is animals and their sounds. Did you watch the YouTube URL? Very good. Did you understand the animals and their sounds? Very good. And today let us discuss the writing session from this lesson. That is the last session of this chapter.
Look at this exercise. Rearrange the words to form sentences. Rearrange the words to form sentences. Here you can see a picture of a rabbit, and below they are given some words, but that is not in correct order. We need to arrange the words in correct order to make a meaningful sentence. First one, they are given the words I, pet, my, love. I, pet, my, love. Using these words, how to make it a sentence? Yes, I love my pet. I love my pet. That's a correct sentence. Second one, is it rabbit A? Is it rabbit A? Yes, we can write the sentences like this. It is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. Third one, short tail A it has. Third one, they are given the words short tail A it has. How to make it a sentence? Yes, it has a short tail. It has a short tail. Fourth one, Komal called I it. Komal called I it. Yes, we can write it like this. I called it Komal. I called it Komal. Fifth one, is brown it. Is brown it. How to arrange these words? Yes, it is brown. It is brown. Now we can read the sentences once more. First one, I love my pet. I love my pet. Second one, it is a rabbit. It is a rabbit. Third one, it has a short tail. It has a short tail. Fourth one, I called it Komal. I called it Komal. And fifth one, it is brown. Fifth one, it is brown. Like this, we need to complete the textual activity from the writing session, page number 66. Writing. Rearrange these words and write the answers for the questions. Rearrange these words and write the answers for the questions. Here you can see a picture of a boy. His t-shirt is blue in color. He is drawing a picture. What did he use to draw? Yes, he used to draw crayons. And below you can see 3 questions. For their answers, they are written some words, but that is not in correct order. We need to arrange these words to make a sentence. First question, what is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? And below they are given the words he, drawing, is, picture A. He, drawing, is, picture A. How to arrange these words? Yes, he is drawing a picture. He is drawing a picture. So what is the boy doing? Yes, he is drawing a picture. Second one, what does he use to draw? What does he use to draw? Here they are given the words uses he crayons. Uses he crayons. How to arrange these words? Yes, he uses crayons. He uses crayons. So the second question, what does he use to draw? Answer, he uses crayons. Third one, what color is his t-shirt? What color is his t-shirt? Here they are given the words t-shirt is his blue. T-shirt is his blue. We can arrange the words like this. His t-shirt is blue. His t-shirt is blue. So the first question, what is the boy doing? Answer, he is drawing a picture. Second one, what does he use to draw? Yes, he uses crayons. Third one, what color is his t-shirt? His t-shirt is blue. His t-shirt is blue.
Then we have discussed the lesson, the tale of a stick. It's the story of a stick, and finally it became helpful to the old woman. And we have discussed the meanings and the question answers. And in the grammar session we have discussed how to use the verbs in simple present tense. Verb means doing words. If the noun is singular one like he, she, it, or one person, one animal, or one thing, in such cases we can add s with the verb. If the noun is plural one like they, we, you, I, like that, in such cases we can use only the verb. We do not add s with the verb. And in the vocabulary session we have discussed animals and their sounds, and we have already discussed the writing session. So children, you should read the lesson and write and study the new words and the question answers, and do the worksheet and file it with you. And we can meet in the next classroom with a new poem. Okay children, we'll meet again. Till then, take care. Bye. Have a nice day.